39th Annual Civic Auction is officially underway, and I'm going to quickly show you how to navigate the bidding dashboard. So the bidding website is terrell2020.ggo.bid, and you may want to bookmark that on your phone or your browser. As I scroll through here and look at the items, the raffle items are on top. So we have 5 raffle items. You can, for a couple of these, you can buy just individual $5 tickets. That's for the Xbox and the Realtree truck, or you can buy 5 for $20. So those will be on sale until Sunday, Sunday the 18th. For the rest of these, if you want to just scroll through and if you see something that you're interested in, you can star it to mark it as a favorite. Maybe you're not ready to bid, or you want to just come back and look at it later. And then once you favorite items, you can come up here to the top of the menu bar and click favorites, and then it shows you all of your favorite items. If I'm ready to make a bid on a favorite item, I can click into that item. Here I can see the description, and I can see who donated it, the value, and when it closes. I have a couple of bid options here. I can bid $220. I can bid more, which gives me the options of taking it up to a different amount or setting a max bid. And if I set a max bid, then it will, I can set it and forget it, and the system will continue to bid for me up to that amount. And then once I'm outbid, I'll be notified by text. Or you can buy now. So those are the options once you're in an item. If you're bidding on items, you can come up here to the menu and you can look at bids, and those are the items that you have placed bids on. It shows you the current bid amount as well as the value. You can also come through here and look at no bid items. These are items that have currently no bids on them. Then you can also look at buy it now options, which we have most of our items in the auction that is open right now through Friday are under buy it now. On the currently open items, there are going to be items that are part of our one-day auction that will be on the site probably by Wednesday. And this way you can skip over those and not have to scroll through them if you want to just filter for the ones that are open for bidding right now. Multi-sale items are the raffle items. And then you can sort by category. So you can just choose a specific category. If you're looking for something that's food and beverage related, you can come look at it that way. And again, all of them have the current bid amount listed in the top right corner in red. That is just a quick overview. One last thing, you can search. If you know the package name or the number, you can search for it this way. But favoriting an item is probably the easiest way to get to things that you're interested in. Happy bidding. We appreciate your support, and good luck.